Hello guys, welcome to GTA Part 2. In this video, I will teach you how to make a main menu and loading screen and much more. So I think this video is going to be up to 40 minutes or 45 minutes, so keep patient and stay with me. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. As you can see, I have created a new terrain here and open up the last scene which we made in the previous video. And I can walk around, run around. And in this video we will make a main menu, so I have to create a new scene over here. Let's create a new scene and go to scene, right click, create a new scene here, scene, and call it main menu. Let's create another scene and call it where is scene, here it is, call it loading. Okay, it's good. Let's go back and create a script over here, folder, and call it all scripts. Here I have created this folder, and right click over here and create a new script over here and call it UI manager. Also we have to create another script. Let's save it right now, and we have to create another script and call it loading. Yeah, it's a good name. Okay, loading manager. Yeah, okay, let's open the main menu scene and also loading scene over here and create an UI panel. Sorry, we'll make panel, automatically it will create a canvas. Okay, we have to put an image which I created. I will tell you how I make this in the end of the video, so make sure to make it sprite 2D and UI and apply it right now. Let's click on panel and drag and drop it over here. As you can see, it is transparent, so I have to decrease the transparency. I'll do this from here. As you can see, it is looking very cool, and yeah, it's awesome. As you can see, it is looking bad without loading animation, so I will search for loading animation which I have imported from Unity Asset Store. I will give you a link in the description box below. So search for loading bar and go to loading bar and come to scenes. Open up this scene right now. As you can see, these are many loading. Open up this scene right now, and as you can see, there are many loadings available here for free. If I play the scene right now, let's see which one is looking better. So as you can see, I think last one is looking better, so I will use this loading animation. So come back to the game and I will make it prefab. Come over here and click on this animation and come back, clear all these errors. Here we have to create this. So now it is time to use that animation. So come back to scene loading and save it. Don't save it because we don't want to save it, and drag and drop this loading animation over here and move it a little bit here, and here it is looking better. I think I have to change the color, is not looking good. Make sure to unpack prefab it completely and change the text color to, I think black is looking cool, and also change it to black. Also you have to change every color to black. This one is looking cool here. So I'm going to play the game right now. As you can see, it is looking very awesome. And as you can see, we are watching here download, which we don't want, and we will change that. So how can we change that? Let's click on this and find the script which they use for this animation, and I think this one is. Open it up in Visual Studio. It may take some time, so wait for that. Okay, it is opening. So cool, it is opened. As you can see here, it is downloading written here, so we have to change it to right here. It may take a while. It is looking cool text. So let's save this right now and come back to Unity. Yeah, everything is clear. Come back to Unity and let's play the game right now. Let's see our code is working or not. I'm going to play the game right now and let's see if it is working or not. So as you can see, it is not working because I don't know why it is not working here, and we have to change or remove these dots. I think maybe that it will work. Let's play the game right now. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's not working again, so we have to change text. I think we should rewrite loading here. So rewrite loading. Yeah, loading is full for now. Okay, let's save it right now and come back to Unity. Let's see if it is working or not. I hope it will work. Okay, so yeah, it's working. Wow, cool. So let's move it little bit here, and okay, it's looking cool. Let's play the game again. Okay, looking awesome. Have great position. Okay, it's time to create a UI script here over here, and let's make a header file using Unity Engine .scene management. Let's make a public void and play game. We are making a function for play game, and right here scene manager dot load scene and write scene 1, because we want to load scene number 1 scene, and make sure you have drag and drop your scenes in build setting. So for this, click on file and go to build setting and drag and drop your scenes into build setting. I'm going to drag and drop this to 0, this to 1, and this to 2. Okay, we want to load scene 1. So come back to main menu and create a canvas over here and make a button, text mesh pro button, or make a simple button. So cut this for right now and delete it and make a simple button too. We just want to test for now and we will design it later. Okay, and make a new create empty game object and call it UI manager, and drag and drop your script into UI manager. Yeah, here. Okay, let's click on button, and on click event drag and drop your UI manager here and select function which we created, play game. Okay, whenever we will click over here, oh, why it's not working? What is the problem? Let's see. Okay, as you can see, we have new UI event, so we have to exchange it right now. Click over here and let's see if it is working or not. So let's wait for some time, maybe it works. So it is not working again, I think. What is the problem? Okay, it's not working. We have to find the problem. What is problem with it? So let's go back to UI event, and I think we have to select all this. Yeah, so click again the button. Let's see if it is working or not. Okay, yeah, cool. We are come to loading screen, and it is awesome. Wow. Okay, it is time to design. I have imported a new splash screen here. It is time to design main menu. So come back to main menu and delete this button for right now, and make a UI panel over here and delete drag and drop this button over here and select your image and drag and drop over here. Change the decrease the transparency over here, and I think move it little bit here, or delete it for right now and make a text mesh pro button. So we have to import text mesh pro. Okay, it may take a while, so we have to wait for some time while it is importing. Okay, as you can see, it is completely imported into our project, and we want to import example and extras, so it may also take some time, so we have to wait for it. While it is importing, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Your one click is much for me. This series is going to be very long. Maybe we will make more than 100 tutorials on that, because it is not easy to make open world game. So as you can see, it is imported here, and we again have to make a UI button here with text mesh pro. Okay, and let's make it, call it play button. Okay, and on click event do the same process and move it, make it little bit bigger and move it little bit here, move it little bit up, and here it is looking good. So okay, here it is looking cool. So I have imported Unity UI samples, which is free. As you can see, there are many UI samples here which you can use for your games. As you can see, it is pink because I have used URP. To fix it, go to edit and render pipeline and universal render pipeline and click over here. As you can see, it is completely fixed. So come back to your main menu and select your button, and we have to change the button. So let's see which one is looking cool. This one, let's see if it is looking cool. I think it is not looking cool. Let's change the color and let's see. No, I don't think. This one is looking not cool. Change the text to white. No. It's not looking good. So we have to change any other sprite. So let's try this right now, and I think this one is looking cool. And move this text a little bit up and drag and drop it over here, make it a little bit smaller, and drag and drop your text over here, make it child and turn it to black. Okay, and make it a little bit transparent. Here it is looking really awesome. Let's change that font of text from here. Okay, let's change the font, and I think this one is looking cool. Okay, it's looking really awesome. Move it a little bit down, and here it is looking cool. So make it duplicate by Ctrl D and move a little bit here and also little bit here. Call it to quit button and also call it to option button. So we have to duplicate it again because we have to create a credits button. Let me make a position of these buttons, and here make it a little bit small and make it also a little bit smaller, and rename it to credits. Credits button. Okay, and also change its text to credits. Okay, it is time to make it a little bit big, and yeah, here it is looking cool. Come over here and change the text to options. Oh sorry, we have to change this text to options, not this one. This text, change it to options. Okay, and play game is make it little bit big. Okay, close it, and also make it little bit big but smaller than that one. Same here. Move it little bit up. Also quit button, go to quit button and move it little bit up. Also we have to change the text to quit. So come over here and change the text to quit. Okay, it is looking awesome here. Okay, for now we have to create an image here for header file, for heading, and make it little bit big, and here Okay, change the background to here. We will use this one. Okay, it is looking cool here. Change it to, rename it to heading, yeah, header, up to you. And I think which color is looking cool here? I think, yeah, yellow is looking cool. Go to UI and make a text mesh pro. Okay, make it a little bit small and move it a little bit here. Okay. And change the text to main menu and change the font. I think this one is looking cool, yeah. Okay, come back to I think all scripts and open up UI manager. Okay, I have opened this scene. We have to create another function here. Make game quit function we are going to make. So make public void quit game or quit. It's up to you what you want to write name. And write here application dot quit. Okay, it's done. It will not work in editor, but trust me, when you will play this game in your mobile phone, it will work. And click on your quit button here and go to your on click event, drag and drop your UI manager here and select function for quit game which we made. Okay, it's done. So we have created quit button, also play button. So it is time to make option panel. Create an empty game object and call it I think of first panel. We will combine all these things into first panel. Okay, and as you can see, if I we have to drag and drop panel over here. As you can see, if I disable this thing, all of buttons and headings will be disabled. Let's create another empty game object and call it option panel. And just right click UI and select an image. We are going to create a panel, make it a little bit big. Okay, here it is looking good. And increase the size in x-axis and call it option background. Okay, option background is looking cool here. Let's increase the transparency and make it black. Here it is looking cool. As you can see, it is looking very nice here. And let's make another image over here, and we will use this image as a heading and make it a little bit big in x-axis and y-axis, and change the image to which we have chose before. Yes. Okay, and let's disable the first panel and come back to image and rename it to heading. Okay, change the color to yellow. Okay, looking cool here. Now we have to make another text into hit UI text mesh pro. Make it a little bit small. Okay, here is looking good. Let's change the text to options and change the font to this one, yeah, or this. Now this one is looking cool here. And increase the size of font here and move a little bit up and right. Yeah, looking cool here. Okay, let me reposition it and it is very difficult to manage all things. Okay, here it is looking cool, and let's enable the first panel and make a game object here, public game object, and call it option panel. Okay, make an function with the name of void start. Here we have to disable the option panel over here because we don't want option panel as set active as true when game start. Okay, so let's make another function for option button. Let's make public here, public void, and you can say option show options. Okay, and let's make option panel as set active as true. Option panel dot set active into true. Also we have to make another variable for first panel. So first panel we have to make another variable. For now we will drag and drop our UI manager over here and click UI manager and select the function which we make, where it is. Okay, here we have to create another variable with the name of first panel, public game object and first panel, and in void start or this here we will set activate to true or false. I think, yeah, false, because whenever option panel will be shown, the first panel will be disactive. Make sure you have drag and drop these two panels over here, otherwise it will not work. Okay, all things are clear. I hope it will work, and it should work because we do not we make any mistake. So come over here. I don't know why it is giving error. Oh, here we have to drag and drop our option panel, and we drag and drop option button, so we have to drag and drop option panel over here. Let's play the game right now and let's see if I think it will work. Okay, so yeah, it's working. Cool. And what if we want to go back? So we have to make another function over here with the name of public void go back, options back. Copy these two statements over here and paste it over here, and change this true to false and false to true. It means whenever the option panel will be disactive, the first panel will be shown. So as you can see, we have write game object instead of void, so we have to write void over here. That's the reason it was giving error. Okay, let's come back to Unity and go to your options panel. Okay, everything is clearly fine. Go to your options panel deactivate this one and option panel over here and make a button UI button. You can also do this from here or move it little bit up here. Okay, it is looking cool here, and make it little bit big, and or make a text mesh pro button. I think this one is looking good. Okay. Rename it to back button, and also here to back. Change the image. I think this one is good, and change the color to black. Make it also change its color to white. Okay. I think we should make it a little bit transparent, or first of all we have to change the font from here. It is looking awesome, and make it a little bit big in x-axis and little bit small, and move it little bit up. Make it a little bit transparent for better look. Yeah, it's cool here. Let's save the game right now, and on click on UI, drag and drop your UI manager over here and select the function which we make. And I think where it is, okay, here. Let's play the game right now, and let's see if it is working or not. It should work, and yeah, it's working. Cool. And as you can see, we have to make another function for loading game. Whenever it will complete 100, the next level will be loaded. So open up the script, or first of all we have to open the okay, we have to make a background over here, background audio. So make audio manager over here, game object, and add component it to audio source. Drag and drop over our audio over here, and make sure you have make it loop. This is completely free audio. It is provided by Ahmed Artist. He is my close friend. You can also use this. I will give you link in the description box below. And whenever I will play the game, I hope it will work. Okay, it's working. Nice. Cool. So come back to loading, and let's click over here whenever it will complete, and we have to load new scene. So click over loading and open the script where it is. Select it and open the script. Let me find it where it is. Okay, here it is. So we have to open another script which we made, loading manager, and make sure you have give header file using Unity engine dot scene management. Okay, make public float and give it name to time. Okay, okay, in word start we have to make start current time, and here we have to make a wait intro. We will make a function wait intro, and whenever the seconds will be complete, the next scene will be loaded. You can write any name which you want. Okay, right here I enumerator, and here you have to write the function name which we make wait intro, and it is giving me error. I don't know why. And let's see what is the error right now. Here we have to write yield return new and wait for seconds. And here we have to put time which we make variable float. Okay, and you can see all errors are gone. And here we have to load new scene, so I will write scene manager dot load scene into, we want to load scene number 2. Okay, let's go back to Unity. Okay, let's create an empty game object and call it loading manager. Okay, loading manager, and drag and drop your loading manager over here and set the time to, I think 5 seconds will be good. And come to your scenes. Where is scenes? Here it is. Okay, open up main menu and let's play the game right now. Okay, play the game, and as you can see it is looking good, and new scene has been loaded, but this is not scene what we want to load. I don't know why it is empty. It is level, I think it is empty scene, so we want to load that scene which we created in the last video. So I will delete this scene from build setting. Okay, first of all I have to find that scene which we created in the, I think it was in here, third person and scenes, and I will drag and drop this scene here. Okay, from here I can easily drag and drop it to scenes. Where it is, scene folder, here it is. Okay, I will delete the level scene and rename it to level. Okay, let's go to build setting and drag and drop this over here and delete the previous. Okay, let's play the game right now. Okay, let's see if it will work. So it may take time because it is loading first time the level scene, so we have to wait for that. I don't know why it is taking some time. I think because it is loading first time, that's the reason I think it is taking some time. So as you can see, I have loaded that scene which we want to load, and this is awesome thing. So I think we should increase the time to 9 seconds, and let's play again the game and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so yeah, we want this. It is working. So good. It works. I hope. So it is time to teach you how I make a splash screen. Let's go back and I will tell you how I create this awesome splash screen in Unity. So first of all I have go to the level scene and create a terrain over here, and I will speed up the video because after watching that you will completely understand what I did with it.